Hello, welcome to my new video series. This is about enterprise core technologies. For now, we will start in a small office setup. Okay, so what we're gonna do for this video, we'll set up a core, and as you can see there, they have core 1 and data core 1, and then we have this aggregate switch or router, and then we have one user each on each locations. Okay. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's rename this as a user. So these are the employee. This is user one. So our goal here is to have them reach each other. Uh, but for now, we'll try to reach each them to the core. Let's try. Let's configure and let them reach to be able to reach the core. By the way, I started one by one. But you can start by clicking this start button here at once. But if you have a good mid-range PC, I suggest to do it one by one. Okay. So let's start in the aggregate and going up. And then the user, which uh, we will use the switch port mode access on this port. So okay, let's create a VLAN. Yeah, VLAN 10, apply. Okay, there's an error, so we're going to abort. For now, we will going to shut down. I think there is a problem with the memory. Memory, yeah, this one PCMI is just 4 MB is enough. Start it again. Start again. Okay, so you can see. Okay. So while waiting, I think it's okay. Let's do erase flash. Let's see. I think done 10. Apply. Still. So let's do erase flash. So while waiting for the erase flash, let's go configure the course. Let's check the interfaces. Okay, web VLAN 10 down. Let's ping 59.0.1.2.1. See if we can reach. Let's ping the VLAN. Let's see if come alive, come up. It's not coming up. Okay, it's up. Okay, everything is up. So let's configure user. Right now, there's no DHCP server. So let's just assign 160.0.128. Gateway is, I think this should be 2. Let's ping 160.0.0.2 and then the gateway. Okay, can reach the gateway. So in core, it's an issue with, okay, it says here that the aggregate switch is 100 full. So we do show IP route. Okay, we cannot see at the VLAN 10. Now let's apply the OSPF. Okay, let's start in the core. IP OSPF 64. Let's say 6400. Sorry, router OSPF 6400. Okay, so let's passive the all interfaces, and then let's just no passive the interface that will form neighborship. Then see, and then on the interface f4/0.10. So IP OSPF 64. So this port will form neighborship to the aggregate switch and the area 0, and then IP OSPF. Since this is a point-to-point, we use this command. Okay. Then let's go to aggregate. Okay. Router OSPF 6400. Let's also do passive default, and then let's do passive 10. And then network, we will advertise the VLAN 10 1 and the wild 0, and the wildcard is 127, area 0. Okay, and then let's redistribute connected. Okay, I'm not sure, this is not a class full, so it's not a class full. Let's see, sure. And then the interface, did we already? Okay, interface 0.0.10 IP OSPF 6400 area 0 IP OSPF network point. Yes, it's from the neighborship. Let's check what's show IP route OSPF. Okay, now I can see the 160 from core. Right, so OSPF. Oh, show IP route. Let's see. Show IP route. Alright, so I can see now the 160, the VLAN 10 via um, this interface, which is the F0 0.10 of the aggregate switch. Alright, so if we ping the user, ping 160, that's it, 2, we should have a ping. Alright, it's good. Okay, let's establish the other two. Let's start. Okay, let's start here. If you have questions, you can drop questions in the comment below. And if you want to support me, you can subscribe to my new. This is my new YouTube channel. And also, if you're still not following my page in Facebook, there's also there and the below and the comment. Okay, I'm gonna put it. So by the way, guys, if you check this, so run section OSPF. Okay, so what we did is we have passive interface default, and then no passive. So we only know passive the interface that will form neighborships, and then we we ad, we advertise via saying network here with the network command, and then we redistribute by via connected. So we show IP route. Okay, so these are the connected interfaces, but it only redistribute on the 160 since we only advertise it via the network command. Okay, so that's the basic of the OSPF. Let's see if we're already done. Not yet. And also on the core, so later on my next video, we're going to connect the core and the data core 01. This one. We will be using EBGP for now, just to let them see each other, can ping each other. Okay, so EBGP, we will going to this. We're not going. We'll just going to the basic first. Maybe later on the later videos, we're going to discuss more. So I could not discuss it in one shot. It's okay. Let's create the router OSPF. OSPF 65. Basic interface default. Passive. F0 0. Then distribute connected. and then network 168. The wildcard is 7. Phobia 0. Okay, let's see. Let's configure also the photos. Okay, 6500. See inverters default. See and then let's create the point-to-point interface or PSPF 6500 USPF network point-to-point. On the other side, OSPF 6500 area 0 OSPF. Okay, show IP OSPF label. It's already up in full. Let's check if we can figure out OSPF. Okay, we can see now the VLAN 10. Let's ping the user. Alright, successful. So here we can ping and let's see that. Oops. 1.5. Alright. Okay. So guys, see you in my next video. In my next video, we'll use BGP here, and let's do some basic explanation of BGP.